Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anand and today in the JavaScript tutorial I'll discuss about one interview question. So here you can see I have two arrays. So here in those two arrays there is some common values, which is here you can see 3 is the common and the 4 is the common in two arrays. So you have to find the common values in between two arrays. So that is the question, how you can find. So the question is like intersection of two arrays. Okay, so this is the question. So intersection of two arrays means you have to find the common values. So now how you can do that? This is very simple. So here array 1, so first of all you can take array 1 or array 2. Okay, any array you can take it. So I'll take array 1 and I'll write dot filter. So here I'll write the syntax of filter, value and fat arrow function. Okay, so now if I console this value, so what I will get, you can guess and you can write in the comment section what I will get if I write console.log value. So if your answer is 1 2 3 4, so you are correct, because array 1 dot filter. So here value means I will get each values of this array 1 array. Okay, so now save and let's see. Here you can see I'm getting this. Okay, so now here I will just write return. Okay, return array 2. Okay, so array 2 dot includes. So in JavaScript there is one method, predefined method, which is includes. So includes value means what I'm checking, like in array 1 value means I'm getting 1 2 3 4. Okay, array 2 dot includes means here I'm checking inside this array 2 array if the value is included or not. Okay, so here 1, so 1 is not included in this array 2, that I'm checking, right? Array 2 dot includes value. Value means 1 2 3 4 and array 2 means this one, and dot includes I'm checking here it included the value or not. So 1 is not included, 2 is not included, but 3 is included, and 4 is also included here. So if array this array 1's value included in array 2, so that I'm returning. And now just here I will store this inside one variable. So variable name I will write race. By the way, you can write any variable name, and after that here I will write console dot log and the variable which is race, where I have stored this value. Okay, so now save and I'll check in the browser I'm getting the output or not. So here you can see I'm getting 3 and 4, which is common. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or if you find this video helpful, so please like this video. Also subscribe my channel to get more update.